Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to change the color of an object in a picture. Okay, let's see. Example, press Ctrl J for duplicate layer, and first of all use selection tool. Quick selection tool and select object. Smoothly. You select smoothly. I select or hold Alter. Okay, you can use smoothly selection. I use example. Then click this icon for saturation, lock this color and change the color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.